Hey guys, my name is Laser and welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be playing some more Bee Swarm Simulator. And I'm just going to do this quest, defeat a ladybug. Lesson on ladybugs. So there's a ladybug over here, so I'll just jump up here. Ladybug, die. While I'm doing it, I'm going to do the wealth clock. Use the wealth clock. Oh, vicious beast being defeated somewhere. Increases honey by 2%. 4 more times and I'll start printing tickets. But if I leave for the game, then it'll reset. So I can hand this in. Wait, no. Oh. So what I want to achieve today is I want to get a new scooper. Oh, my bag's full, I just realised. Get a new scooper, and that was just the beginning. Blah, blah. Rhino Rumble. So yeah, I can't remember what I was going to say. Yeah, I want to achieve probably get a couple more bees and get closer to getting to the 10 area. And also maybe get, I don't know. So, spider, die spider. So I'm just gonna do bamboo boogie and rhino rumble. Die spider, I hate you. You're gonna kill me. Spider's literally gonna kill. Seriously. So how much honey do I have? 6,350. So I'm gonna use the honey dispenser and run. I'm gonna do this parkour quickly. Come on. Yes! You found a royal jelly. How many royal jellies do I have? Well, I have 3 royal jellies. So I'm gonna go over to here and get a new scooper. Hello, new beer. What have you got for me today? So I could buy the backpack. I'm not going to though. I can buy the magnets. So that's what I'm gonna do. Receive magnets. And I'm just gonna spend the rest on egg things when I've got more. I have 5 bees and discovered 5 types of bees. Because I'm just gonna try and discover all the bees and get all the different types of bees. I'm gonna have 1 of every single bee. Oh, so yesterday I was remember when I got the rainbow wings? Yeah, I forgot to cook them for the hotel lobby. Yeah, I forgot. And then I forgot to equip them again for the Bee Swarm video. Next video I put... Oh, my backpack's already full. Next time I promise that I'm going to equip it for... Probably I'm going to do a destruction simulator video. go along here. I'm gonna go up to Panda Bear. Because I think I finished his quest. Yep, Rhino Rumble. Now I have 33. Last time I had 28. Guess I'm not a newbie. Of course I'm not. Awesome. Battle. Okay. I am the jelly. Okay, come on. Run. Take him quickly before I die. Yay. So this is Vicious Bee. I have 0 stingers out of 250. And kill these ladybugs. Oh, where are the ladybugs? Sometimes they don't come at night, and for some of the nights, but usually they do. Oh, they're going to, oh, of course they're going to a field that I can't get to. Hello, fireflies. I'll get to you if it's the last thing I do. I wonder if I can get there. No, I can't jump high enough. I really like the nighttime music. Come on, bees. I have 5 of them now. Vicious Bee. Oh! And a spider field. Grumpy. I won't really be good at fighting him, so I will kill him. Because I have better bees than he does. Oh, let's go. Save Grumpy in the spider field, because Vicious Bee's there. Please don't say he's like a level 7 or 8. Hopefully he's like a level 3 or 4. Come on. Oh, there's Grumpy. Grumpy left. Oh, the fireflies are here as well. I don't have any moon charms. Wait, do I actually? Oh, I have 2 moon charms. Ow, this hurts. I hate these spikes. Yes! I was the one that killed Vicious Bee. So my bee's level 4 now. And what did I get? A stinger and some honey. That was a 1 out of 250. Oh, I can do this. Go, another beer. Yeah, I know. Such a sunflower. Oh, I need to fit a sunflower. So I'll have to farm this field. Ow. Right now I have an infection in my eye and it really hurts. I'm coming. I just realised I have hardly even started on Bamboo Boogie. How much honey do I have now? Okay, that much. Yeah, resale's gonna run off soon. 8 more days. Is it? No, seriously. So close. Come on. I like how this one's actually way bigger. The radius collection system. Oh. Oh, one. Oh, no, oh. That's just right past it. Come on, bees. Help me, please. Yes, Snoopy. I'll be really shocked if it's a bumblebee again, because I keep getting bumblebees for some reason. Next one's 10,000. Basic egg, put you there. Basic bee. I'm gonna keep this level 3 basic bee because I'm gonna try and get all the bees. This one will be changed. Trickle bee, yes, okay, stick bee, who's a little better than the others. Sometimes boosts pollen from blue flowers. Okay, so a blue one. So I've got 2 blues. You can have some blueberries. And then you can have strawberry. And I think Lookabee likes these. Yes, he does. Oh, and treats. So I can give to this guy. So I'm just gonna do. I am gonna kill this guy, this ladybug. I was standing on here so he can't get me. No, don't collect anything from there. Yes, you didn't. Don't collect any from Spider either. I will need a full backpack for this. I just need to kill one more rhino beetle. So I have all these blue bees, I have red bees, they look so cute. On the way I'm going to kill this guy. He's only a level 1. Smash it. Ouch. Just have completed this ritual. I just need to my base for that one. And empty my backpack. And I'm probably going to buy a new backpack because this one's kind of horrible. What are you doing? What are these guys doing? Why are all those bees clipped out? Bumblebee keeps popping up. So I think the next one's 3,000, I think. Go along here. Don't collect anything, please. No, you collected some. No. 8 beetle. I've only got 6. go to Panda Beer. Come on, guys. Go to Panda Beer now. After I clicked all this. This is a good spot. Yes. Yes, I've completed the first one for Sun Beer. Yes, that much. I've already. I think he's what we have now, so I don't think I'll be able to do that quest today. I'll have to do it, or maybe I'll do another video after this. Because I've still got 19 minutes. So let's go and do this. By the end of this video, I'm going to have probably one more bee, so a new bee, and a better backpack. I have 6 tickets, which would get me a royal jelly, but I don't need any because I've already got 2. Oh, this blueberry can go to this bluebee. And this treat can go to this guy as well. Hi, Sunbear. Come on. I'm coming for your Sunbear. New awesome beer that's here for 24 more days. Yes, you gave me 3 tickets. Sticking to the staples. Okay, that's okay. I can buy a new backpack by now. Just realised. Hello, new beer. I am back again. Back again. What? Oh, come on. Stupid beer. I just need a honey token. Basic bee or brave bee, I think those ones do it. Can you produce a token? No, not that type of token, but I'll take it anyways. No, I can't for some reason. It's glitching out. I keep forgetting I can't use this. So I'm going to probably just complete Bamboo Boom. Oh. Token. Blue token. Yeah, I definitely need a new. Come on, bees. What was I saying? I definitely need a new backpack. Because this one's too small. I'm coming to the hive and then I will be able to buy another backpack. Yay. And then I'll end the video once I get a new bee and probably royal jelly it. Laser 38. And these are my bees. Yeah, my beautiful little bees. Yes. Oh my goodness, he's so good. The seedling has sprouted. Oh, it's over there. How long is this? 41 more minutes. Yay. 3,500 storage. It's really good. And should I go and do this? I'm just gonna see how long it will take. I'll probably do it when it's lower. And if someone else is there helping me. But for now, I'm just gonna finish off Bamboo Boogie and then I'll start a new quest. That Riley Beat, seriously, that is not helpful. I'm in a blue field, not a red field. Nearly finished. Oh, look at me. Look at me, look at me. Look at me, look at me. Come on. And I will go down here. So, oh, there's lots of honey tokens there. Nope, he's stealing them all. Oh, I got a strawberry from a ladybug. Oh yay, Riley B. Leveled up to level 5. Bamboo Bookie. Okay, can you give me an easier quest that took a while? 9 more quests. Riddle quest 2. Run. When I see the treats, I want to get there. Oh, maybe I can get the pineapple. Yes, yes, come on, pineapple. Pineapple, I got the pineapple. Oh no, I didn't. It disappeared just before. Oh, there's a trade over there. Everyone's stealing my stuff. Well, it's actually their stuff, but who cares? Level 4. So I'm doing Riddle Quest 2. So I'll go over here. Oh, ladybugs. Yes. So this is the read quest. Just read pollen. Perfect. Oh, and also something that I just forgot to show you in the other video. The video before. There's actually a token pack here that gives you one strawberry. You can't really see it that way. You might have seen it. Oh, it's becoming night time again. 5 lies. Where are you? Sometimes they don't come though. I think they're having a day off or night off and not coming this night. I really wanted to. Oh, wait, no, wait, did I see? No, I didn't. Just seeing things. Yeah, I don't think they're coming tonight. Oh, Cloverfield. I'll save you. Unless it's a really, really high level, and then I won't be able to save you. Yeah. It's only a level 3. I can kill him for you. Oh god. Come on, just be, will die. Oh, there's the fireflies. I think I'd rather kill Vicious Bee. Vicious Bee, die. Just die already. Why is this taking so long? Oh, ow! No, I just got hurt. Okay, so I missed out my chance of getting some moon shards, but at least I'm getting wisdom.
When I say you...
Then I'm still doing a video. Oops, I just think I might have stopped the recording by accident. Bye.